Good morning, I'm Bob Rosenbaum. I'm with My Florida Dreams. Today, I'm at 911 Xanadu, which is in Bay Indies, Venice, Florida. A little bit about Bay Indies is 55 plus resort community, 2.2 miles to Venice Beach, downtown Venice. We're full of amenities. If you've ever seen any of my videos, I'm 252 Bob, 252 days of sunshine. And with that being said, Gene, pan down just a little bit. You'll never see this. Maybe twice a year, you'll see me in long pants. So as everybody knows, we are in a cold, it's cold everywhere. It's 40 degrees here. In a couple days, it'll be back up to 70. So you'll see me dressed like this. I also do lots of pickleball here. Bay Indies is full of amenities, tennis, pickleball. There's 3 pool houses, hot tubs, sauna, you name it. So I'm at the 911 Xanadu. It is a coastal living beach house. Where did I get that from? Oh, coastal living beach house. Well, this house had substantial damage in the hurricane, and it has been rebuilt from the floors to the roof. So I'm gonna have Gene, we'll talk. We're gonna pan around to the living room, dining room, and I will talk behind him. So they had to come in, rip out the old floors. They put down plywood. They put some carpeting over it. The house has been done with new ceilings. It's got a drop ceiling also. And the best part about this, what you see here stays. So you want to get out of the north now and get some warm weather for the rest of the winter, just bring your clothes, your flip-flops, your shorts. I guarantee you'll be needing them in the next few weeks. It's going to warm up. They've done a really nice job just making a very cozy atmosphere here. The house faces south. You can see all the ample lighting it has. I just really like the way they've staged it with that beachy theme. Again, everything stays. Nice, huge, built-in, loads of space for, if you were here for Christmas, all your Christmas decorations would fit. We'll come into the kitchen. This is not a bearing wall, so you could actually take that wall out, put a little island in there. The appliances are all white with a stainless steel refrigerator. It's got a Bosch dishwasher, just loads of light too. New drop ceilings in here also. In the pictures, you'll see the carport is missing. It may be reconstructed, but it would be an additional amount. Just don't have the numbers right now on the material. It will get a shed. Should be in the next couple days. So nice cozy kitchen, like I say, 4-door stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel sink, plenty of closet space. There is some pots, pans, glassware, so it is pretty much turnkey. I think the only reason I didn't list it as turnkey was because it's missing the carport. But really, folks, all you need to do is bring your clothes, whatever else you'd like, and you can move into this large utility closet. Also a nice pantry. I'm blocking, sorry Gene, but a huge pantry. Look at the size of that. We don't see too often like that. New flooring in here also. It's a vinyl stick-on tile, but I like the color, how it works in with the rest of the house. The AC is 2018. The vapor barrier had to be fixed in some spots from the hurricane, so that's been done. Coming to the guest bedroom, it's got 2 twin-size beds, huge walk-in closet. This is 24 by 48, and the amount of space and room you can put things in is amazing. There's also some, I didn't mention or show you in the living room, there's some wainscoting and a chair rail. Gene will come in and show you the guest bathroom, tub shower, carpeting, very bright. Does have the original almond colors to it. Just waiting for Gene to catch up to me. I'm in the master bedroom now. Again, what you see stays. It had a new drop ceiling installed with the renovations from the hurricane. Just very bright, and facing that way, we're facing north. The other way is south. To my left is west. Just plenty of light. AC registers are in the ceiling, which I prefer if I had my choice, just for it. I think it does better cooling. And then the next stop, Gene will show you the master bathroom. It's carpeted, huge walk-in closet too. So you have plenty of space for anything you need to bring down. So Gene pans around. I'm just going to go over some of the updates. New subfloors, new roof, new drop ceilings. Everything that you see here stays. The vapor barrier has been repaired. It's got a new breaker panel inside also. AC 2018. Had a couple new windows installed. 2 new toilets. What are you waiting for? Come down here. Get out of the north now. I'll meet you in the Lanai, Gene. Actually, I'm going to just stop you two right here, and we'll pan around. We have wainscoting, more wainscoting in the living room. Really nice detail. I like how it's broken up from the panel to a little chair rail. Then you go to your wainscoting, baseboard molding. Kind of unique. It doesn't have a slider for the lanai. Really neat. I call it like a barn door slide. Coming into lanai, it's got a roll-up sunscreen, shades. Nice cozy place to have some tea in the afternoon or a margarita. So today, 9/11, Xanadu. I'm Bob Rosenbaum. I'm with My Florida Dreams, and in Venice at Bay Indies. My number is 207-479-5130. Call me for a showing. Have a great day, folks, and happy holidays.